We turn now to the environment, and it is Oceans Week in the nation's capital. And while Washington, D.C. may be 100 miles from the nearest sea, it is where scientists and policymakers are grappling with a new problem affecting the oceans. And our Clayton Sandell has this week's Nature's Edge notebook.
When you think of global warming's effect on wildlife, it's the penguin and the polar bear that usually get all the attention. But scientists say it's these little guys, microscopic phytoplankton at the bottom of the ocean's food chain, that are facing new danger. The oceans are becoming more acidic.
This is a major concern for our ocean ecosystem.
It happens as humans burn fossil fuels. Carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere and absorbed by the oceans, 22 million metric tons every day. The water turns more corrosive to everything from shellfish to coral reefs that many species depend on. Scientists say it's a bit like osteoporosis of the ocean. And the impacts ripple all the way up the food chain.
The phytoplankton get eaten by invertebrates called zooplankton. The zooplankton get eaten by fish. The fish get eaten by mammals. The mammals get eaten by bigger mammals. And eventually you get to the top of the food web and things like people and polar bears.
Famed ocean explorer Sylvia Earle, in town to accept a Lifetime Achievement Award, says humans are profoundly changing the chemistry of the seas.
The rate of acidification is scary, coincident with the increase in CO2 in the atmosphere. This is not an accident. This is a correlation. Clearly, we have to cut back on how much carbon dioxide we're putting into the atmosphere.
Scientists say there's still a lot they don't know, but they agree it's a potentially massive problem, already affecting the ocean's tiniest creatures. For the Nature's Edge notebook, Clayton Sandell, ABC News, Washington.